Just come on to this website, grab this link, and come over here, link this website, then link a couple of more websites that I'm about to show you, and you are done. Now you are making thousands of dollars, all in Bitcoin, all on autopilot. Hi guys, I hope you're having a great day. I had a great one yesterday because I just found out about this awesome new way through which you can make approximately $2,000+ in free Bitcoin without an investment in 2021. The other great thing about this method is that it works worldwide, and this is really fast, so it's gonna work through 2021 as well. Only your computer and a little bit of your time is all that you need. But firstly guys, moving forward, I want to give you guys a small disclaimer that this video is gonna be in a step-by-step manner. So if you skip any step, then I cannot guarantee that this method will or will not work for you. So guys, make sure to stick around till the very end of this video and not skip anything, and then hopefully you will be able to make a lot of money really fast. So guys, without any further ado, let's jump into step number 1.
Hi, if you're watching this, then you have to know we're doing a brand new giveaway on our channel. We're gonna be giving away the new iPhone 12 Pro Max or the MacBook Pro. It is your choice. Just watch the video completely and make sure to like the video, comment the hidden keyword down below, and be sure to subscribe.
So guys, before we move on with step number 1, I'm gonna show you how this method works. So guys, the websites that we are gonna be using is gonna be youtube.com and shrinkme.io. Now guys, you can either use shrinkme.io or ShrinkEarn as well. It all depends upon you how whichever website that you prefer, but I'm gonna use ShrinkEarn in this website just to make it easier for everybody because this website is available worldwide. So guys, now what I want you to do is that I want you to come back to YouTube, and then I want you to open up a link in YouTube, and then I want you to copy the link of that particular video, and then I want you to come back over here on shrinkearn.com. So once you've copied the link, what I want you to do now is that simply create an account on shrinkearn.com. Now guys, over here this website is basically gonna shorten out your link, and then whenever a person will click on your link. So why am I using shrinkearn.com? Now guys, firstly because shrinkearn.com is gonna pay you the best rates in the industry ever. So basically they offer you 20% referral bonus, and they also have a low minimum payout system. So they have over 500,000 registered users, and they have over 25 million total links, and they also pay you in the form of Payeer, Web Money, Perfect Money, PayPal, and Bitcoin too. So guys, to shorten out your URL, just simply paste your URL over here, and that will take you to over here. So simply copy this, and then I want you to just paste it incognito tab, and then I want you to see what happens. Now if I paste it over here, I can see that now we are being driven to a middleman, which is shrinkearn.com, and now over here we will be shown like different ads, and through these ads we can make money. So guys, like that is basically all that ShrinkEarn does. And now if I were to complete this up, I will jump back to the link that I initially copied. Guys, like that is all what ShrinkEarn does, and that is the purpose of ShrinkEarn. So guys, like this is an amazing website, and yeah, you can definitely use this to make a lot of money. Now guys, how much money can you make with this website? Now guys, I know you like figures, and I'm gonna show you exact figures. So if I were to go over here on publisher rates, I can see that you can make $20,000 per 1,000 views from Greenland. You can make $7, you can make $8, you can make even $3 from countries like India or the Philippines if you were to get 1,000 views from them. Now guys, that is a lot of money. Now guys, just suppose if you guys were to find a video, and if you guys were to make a video about it and get 1 million views, well then you could have made easily $10,000 to $100,000 easily without doing absolutely nothing, all just with the fact that you used shrinkearn.com. Now guys, it is so simple. So guys, now that you understand how it works, we are gonna jump into the actual method itself. Method number 1. So guys, in method number 1, I want you to come on to youtube.com, and I want you to type in how to make Bitcoin. Now guys, if you were to type in how to make Bitcoin, well then you will see a lot of videos. Now guys, what I want you to do now is that I want you to click on filters, and then I want you to click on Creative Commons. Now once you do this, you will see all these videos come up. Now guys, you guys can literally use all of these videos for your own channel by just simply downloading them and then re-uploading them onto your own channel, and you can then just simply put your shrink earn link in the bottom of the channel title. So basically whenever people will click on your link, they will definitely go down to the link that you put to shrinkearn.io, and when they'll click on it, they will see another video, but you will make money through that. So guys, if your videos were to like get 1,000 views, well then you can easily make a $10 to $20 all in passive income in just a few minutes after uploading your videos. And over here we can see that these videos have gotten 800,000 views, 200,000 views, 34,000, 100,000 views, and like 1,000 to 2,000 views is absolutely nothing if you look at this strategy. And guys, like this is basically the start. If you were to do this for all the videos over here and like consistently and every single day, well then you are talking in the millions. So guys, what are you waiting for? Just definitely use this method, and yeah, you can make the most out of it. Now guys, there is also another method number 2. Now guys, this method might require just a bit more work from your side, but if you have the consistency, if you have the time, well then you can definitely make full use of this method, and you can definitely avail it to its full potential. So guys, what is step number 2? So in step number 2, I want you to type in something like free Bitcoin, and then I want you to just watch a couple of videos that come up. Remove the filters, just like make it all the videos. So guys, once you remove the filters, you will be able to see all these videos come up. Now guys, what I want you to do now is that simply recreate these videos. Now once you'll recreate these videos and then re-upload them on your channel, the first benefit will be they will be original. The second will be you will get a lot more views because that is original content, and YouTube's algorithm always promotes original content. And then just simply paste your shrink earn link over in the description of that particular video of any video that you want to promote, and then you will be earning money on shrinkearn.com. Now guys, make sure to sign up on Shrink Earn when you are about to do this method. It is absolutely free and you can start right away. So guys, that is basically the whole method. And yeah guys, like this is all up for grabs. So guys, like right now the price of Bitcoin is $63,000 and it is going up, and the rate at which it is going up is absolutely stunning, and like literally people are making millions and millions of dollars out of this particular investment. So guys, like you can literally make a lot more money once you earn Bitcoin, because when the price goes up, well then your earnings will basically multiply and you can sell it for far more money than what you initially bought it for. So guys, like I mean, that is a plus, that is a bonus always. And like we can see that Bitcoin was about $62,000 a few days before, and now it is almost $64,000. And yeah guys, like this is absolutely amazing, and I think it will go up even more. So guys, like make sure to like keep full track of this, and you will definitely be able to make a lot of money using Bitcoin, because this is a holy grail for all the new investors. So guys, like that is basically it, especially in times of COVID when there is literally a market crisis. People are losing jobs, savings, like students are being blown under student debt. So for you to like do this method and make a full-time income is gonna be really nice and really amazing. So guys, what are you waiting for? Just go out there and just do it, and let me know in the comments down below how it went. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.